final 7 sections of the Multi-Agency Radio Communication System, or MARCS Tower, were lifted into position Wednesday morning and early afternoon by helicopter. Seven workers scaled the base of the tower that had been built with a crane, and they remained aloft for 5+ hours. After placing each section atop the tower, the helicopter pilot landed and powered down the aircraft for about 20 minutes while the workers on the tower secured each new section. Then the workers climbed to the top of the newly placed framework and awaited yet another section to be lifted by the helicopter. The state-owned 450-foot tower is located off of Dibble Road near Wright State University Lake Campus. Light southwest ground wind was expertly negated by the pilot on the mostly cloudless day. After lifting all but the first and 7th sections, the helicopter pilot brought down the straps used to hoist the previous module. Bags were attached to some of the final sections before being ferried to the top of the tower. After placing the final mast, one lucky worker got to climb to the very top to retrieve the lifting straps.